Yeah, tomorrow I can do you a favor. I think we can dodge the rain tomorrow. We have rain and snow out there right now, but no one's really concerned about that. It's the wind.
It's that wind.
Yeah, the winds have been pretty strong out there. Wind advisory in effect across all of Metro Detroit, and it's going to expire around midnight and also 2 a.m. So it just lets you know we're still going to be in the thick of this for a couple more hours here. Gusts from 40 to 50 miles per hour or greater have already been reported, and we could still have more reports later this evening. And for Sanilac and Lapeer County, it looks like those winds will hold on just a touch longer until around 2 a.m. As far as the gusts so far, by far, Detroit Metro Airport, 67 miles per hour. Those were the peak gusts that we picked up. Ann Arbor at 54. Downtown Detroit had a report of around 60 miles per hour, so the winds have been delivering. In fact, you'll even notice some of these reports. There it is from Detroit at 60 and Grosse Ile at 48 miles per hour. So we've been dealing with these strong winds. They're calming down very slowly, but we're moving in the right direction. Gusts up to 24 in Port Sanilac, Lapeer at 28, 54 in Ann Arbor. You're in the 40s from Monroe as well as Adrian, and Detroit is pretty close to around 50 miles per hour still at 48, and that's where this red and orange bullseye is currently located from Hamtramck to the Grosse Points, Harper Woods up near St. Clair Shores. Winds are pretty strong for you. Starting to relax just a touch out towards Plymouth and the Canton area, but once again, we're still dealing with these strong winds. Zooming out and showing you the radar, the rain and the snow still out there as well. This is slowly drifting off towards the north, but if you take a snapshot of the temperatures, we're above freezing, so we're not expecting many impacts on the roadways. In fact, the official high temp today was 51, but that was earlier in the day, of course, before the temperatures started to crash. We'll kind of have this wintry mess, this rain-snow mix passing through for the rest of this evening. Temperatures will be in the 30s. Overnight lows cool down, though, as the rain and snow pulls out. Overnight lows down to around 32. And then as we look ahead towards your Sunday, it will be a brighter day. We'll get the sunshine back, mix with some clouds, breezy at times, not as windy as today. And then for your Sunday night into Monday, rain and snow appears to return. And that's going to be with us for the first part of Monday before things really clear up. So Tuesday, we'll jump ahead there, 48 and 49 on Wednesday. Rain returns once again, and it appears we'll hit temperatures near 60 degrees for next Friday, and even that brings a soggy system. We'll be back after this.